Street sweeper came through, cleaned up the mess, but really just kind of like spread it more across the driveway. Come on back. Gotta line her up good. Stop! Perfect. 80 degrees earlier. Now it's raining. Welcome to California. Look at a crack pipe. Legit crack pipe. Say no to drugs, kids. Green helmet for protection. Match the fit. You know my motto. If I'm not riding good, at least I look good. Quick little rip on the 110. Notice I said 110. We don't have two of them. Currently only have one. Shane's whipping the pedal bike. On the pedal bike, we got spectators coming by. All right, here's the setup. Nice little runway. You're gonna come up the ramp here. Make sure you clear the right side so you don't hit the cactus. Then when you land, you gotta make sure you still stay to the left because you want to hit this pipe here. Might be a little OTB if you hit that. That'll be good content though. What do you think?
It's all right.
It's all right.
Much kick, but
we gotta find another one. A little old school. Getting flashbacks of my mini days at the track, making little BMX jumps. Also doesn't help because that pipe's there.
Yeah.
So you can't like send it over it. You can't send it straight that way. Might have to pull the tape measure off for that one.
I don't know.
Man, he sent it.
Land speed record right there.
One more. Do one more.
More successful than I thought I was going to be, honestly.
I wasn't bad, dude. Once you got comfy and you sent it, it was pretty decent.
Yeah. Now we just got to get Shane one of these bad boys so we can go hit some more stuff. Because right now, show him your whip right here.
The whip.
Look at that.
I gotta pedal to keep up with him. He's just cruising, first gear.
Shane's over here sizing up a little wall ride, I think.
doing some hard enduro now. We got some nails right here.
Yeah, we gotta watch out.
Oh, this is gonna be nice. This is somebody's foundation to their new house right here. Just kind of gave up on it with these housing prices.
You think you can ride that?
Probably not, but I'll try it.
Or we can do that one right there. That one's bigger. We can set that one up on a couple, get a nice ramp up, and then just off.
Yeah, I think it'll be sick.
Or is he not?
Dude, little hard enduro. I don't know if I have it, but I'm feeling like this is doable right here. The exit might be the weird part, but we'll figure it out once we get there.
Need more reinforcement on that ramp?
You don't need any reinforcement.
No? Hey, let me get a wheelie off of it.
Really awesome.
Yeah. These dang flies are going crazy on me right now. Hold on, let me get the... What's that? How's that one?
I mean, it's there.
It's there? Let's get one more.
Not bad, not bad. A little hard enduro. Bone stock. While you putting thousands of dollars into these things, you don't need it. All you need is some bars. You can call it a day. Boom. Nice little mission. Pulling up quick to Nova. We got a live performance from the man Propane Shane tonight. Rain or shine. He's still going.
Huge home run against Hader in the postseason as a Brave. Will now come to bat with 2 outs and nobody on. Hader will try and exercise a personal demon in the playoffs as the Padres try and exercise a 50-year demon. 0-2, swing and a miss! Freeman went after a slider in the dirt, and the ball game is over. The series is over, and the Padres have slayed the Dragon. They defeat the Dodgers in 4 games to advance to the National League Championship Series.
What time it is? My God, won!
How was it tonight?
You know, it was there, and so are we. You know, rocking out in the rain. Padres won. City's going wild.
Downtown's alive.
Ready to go.
Let's go.
Okay.
Thinking of copping one of these right now.
We're gonna go to pizza.
They're getting pizza.
People are getting pizza, but
Pizza.
Go Padres! God damn.